How to add another account in WhatsApp on Android. First of all you have to do is launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. If not, you can simply update it through the Play Store in your mobile device. After that, log into one of your accounts. Now, if you would like to add another account, now from this chat page, head over to the top right corner and from there tap on three dot icon. A small drop down box will pop up with few options. From there, tap on settings. Once you get to settings page, here at the top you will find an account option. Tap on account. Now under this account page, there is an option as add account. Tap on add account. Then again tap on add account with a plus icon. From this page, tap on agree and continue. Now you have to type in the number that you would like to add to WhatsApp. So simply type in the number, and after you type in your correct number, tap on next, and for your verification you will receive a verification code in your mobile number in your message box. So simply search for verification number, and once you have that, copy that code here, and once you're verified, your account will be added in WhatsApp. Now once you have added your account, if you go and tap on three dot icon and from there again tap on settings, and if you keep on holding your account, there you'll find an option to switch your account, or you can also go with account and then you can switch your account. So that's how you can add another account in WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.